Hi there, today I am inside of Class Dojo to show you how to access a Google Drive document and then turn it into your facilitator. I see that here on my profile I have one activity that needs to be completed. I'm going to go ahead and tap one activity. I see the activity here, my super awesome assignment, and it has a link. If I click that link, what should occur is a pop-up comes up and asks me if I want to make a copy of this document. I do. I'm going to click make a copy, and this will be my own individual copy where I'll be able to put all of my work directly into the document. So now that the copy's made, I want to do a couple things. Here at the top where it says copy of, I'm going to tap and change that to my name. Then I'm going to put my work inside of this document. And now all of my work has been completed. So I want to share this back to my facilitator. The way that I do that is by tapping the share button. By default, the link is not accessible to anyone, it's just accessible to me. All I have to do to change that is click this blue text, change link to Pequea Valley School District. So I'll tap that. I'll tap copy link. That button allows me to copy that entire link. So I just tap copy link, tells me the link is copied there in the text. Close the window, and now I'm back in Dojo. All of that happened right in the Class Dojo app. So I just hit start, double tap, paste, and hand in. And now that assignment is viewable by my facilitator. They have that link, they can click the link, and they'll be able to view all the excellent work that I did inside of that document. As always, I hope that this tutorial overview of how to work on a Drive document, create that copy, and hand it in was helpful. Thank you for watching.